Imagine this. You've spent hours writing blog posts, designing your website, uploading products, and building your online brand. And then, one day, you discover another website with your exact content, copied word for word.
Someone's scraping my site.
Sometimes they even outrank you on Google. That, my friends, is called content scraping. And it's something every website owner, big or small, needs to be aware of. So in this video, we're going to break down what scraping really is, why it happens, and most importantly, 6 effective strategies to help you prevent it. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how choosing the right hosting provider, like Verpex, can give you an extra layer of protection. What is content scraping? Content scraping, also known as data scraping, is when a bot, or in some cases a human, steals content from your site. The scraped content can then be republished elsewhere, often on shady websites that spread malware, sell fake products, or just steal your hard work. Now, not all scraping is malicious. For example, researchers and data scientists sometimes scrape websites for studies or statistics, but most of the time when we're talking about scraping, we mean the bad kind. The kind that hurts your website and your business. Is it illegal? Now you might be wondering, is scraping even legal? Well, it depends. If someone copies copyrighted content, if they scrape data behind a login, or if your site's robots.txt file specifically says not to crawl certain areas, then yes, it can absolutely cross into illegal territory. But scraping public data isn't always illegal. That's why prevention is so important. Because once your content is out there, it's tough to get it taken down. And worse, those duplicate sites can damage your reputation or even spread malware under your brand's name. 6 ways to prevent scraping. So, how do you protect your website from scrapers? Let's go through 6 proven methods. Use a robots.txt file. This file tells search engines and crawlers which pages they can or can't access. But keep in mind, it's more of a suggestion than a rule. Legit bots may respect it, but malicious scrapers often ignore it. Still, it's a good first step. Add IP blocking. If you identify suspicious IP addresses in your server logs, you can block them using your firewall or .https file. Just note, advanced scrapers may use proxies or rotate IPs to bypass this.
Use CAPTCHA on website.
CAPTCHAs help separate humans from bots, especially on login pages or forms. Just make sure they're user-friendly, because accessibility matters too. Limit requests. Rate limiting. Set a cap on how many requests a user or IP can make in a short time. This prevents bots from hammering your site with hundreds of requests per second. Use a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN not only speeds up your website, but also makes it harder for scrapers to overload your server. It distributes your content across global servers, adding an extra layer of protection. Monitor your website traffic. Always keep an eye on your analytics and server logs. Look for unusual traffic patterns, like spikes from unknown regions or strange user agents. Catching scrapers early means you can block them before they cause serious problems. Extra best practices. Now, beyond those 6 steps, here are a couple of bonus tips. Hide sensitive content behind logins. If it's really important, don't make it public. Use a web application firewall, WAF. This adds an advanced layer of protection by filtering out bad traffic. Update your website regularly. Many scrapers target outdated plugins or security loopholes. Remember, no single solution will stop every scraper, but layering multiple strategies together makes your site a much harder target. To wrap it up, while you may never stop 100% of scraping attempts, these 6 steps will make it much harder for bots to steal your content. And remember, strong hosting is your first line of defense. With Verpex hosting, you get secure, high-performance servers, plus tools and support to help monitor and protect your site from malicious traffic. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a business website, good hosting keeps your data safer. Check out the link in the description to explore Verpex hosting plans and get started with a platform designed to keep your site fast, reliable, and secure. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more website tips, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever dealt with content scraping? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.